Hello YouTube. Today we are in Zombie Squad, joined by TD Saves and Toilet Rock 2. So let's get into this. Right after my keyboards. Okay. Ha! TT's on the other team. Yeah. I'm with the darnest guy, Toilet Rock. And I just failed. How good of me. But, wow. TT Saves has just died. TT Saves have just died. How about you? But I'm gonna see if someone else is gonna join. Well, other people can join, but I'm just gonna let him join by himself. But we're playing this because it's basically an obstacle game. I like hockey too. You should see hockey videos in the future and more RW ones. But I'm probably not gonna be playing Roblox Ninja Warrior no more. So I'm gonna keep you posted when if I quit, it's not a big deal. I probably do comp still. I'm just gonna be quitting the Roblox Ninja Warrior. What? I'm gonna still do Rising maybe. And I saw our 2K building Rising 2.
I feel like there's a lot of customers in Rising.
Yeah. If Ozzy bro. I wonder who's helping with Rising 2. I'm gonna see if I can find out. Yeah. I didn't go yet, cause oh no, I'm with the noobs. I'm gonna do the invisible path. I don't know why I choose that one, cause my team's gonna go down there. Yeah, I know that. It's pretty obvious. This is the hardest level probably ever. Well, not ever, but it's. I thought it was the hardest level. It looked hard, but now it isn't. It's easy. I have no school on Monday. Luckily, it's a teacher work day. I don't know what I'm doing right now. So, where am I gonna go? Sorry if my voice sounds a little weird. I might have a sore throat. But I cleared it, no problem, off the camera on this, but I'm gonna see if I can do it with the camera. He just raged. Okay, so basically today I have to go somewhere, but I'll be back around 5ish. But you should see a video tomorrow at at least 4 p.m. Eastern time. Or no, 7. Or I want to see what time. Might be 8 p.m. Eastern. Okay, so this game has to hurry up. But I hope we're good enough to clear this next stage. Oh my gosh. I hate when the 4 obstacles are already played, but I have to go with the flow. I hate this one. Don't you love it when you fail? Don't you love it? Oh shoot! Sorry guys, I had to leave that game. I'm joining TT Saves and Miss Comp. I don't know if the runs are now. But I'm gonna see if the runs can be now so I can get it on camera. If not, I'm gonna be practicing and see if I can do a perfect run on stage 1. Most trouble on it. I'm not accepting him because he took my models. Sire official took my models, so I'm not going to accept this. If you see Fishbone, please report that item. It's not okay. Oh my gosh, my keyboard stinks. Stop pushing me. I think, how can I jump? I can't jump. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can jump. Oh, okay, I can jump. I'm gonna see if I can do this. Exactly. Okay, let's... Okay. At least I'm near stage 1. Why can't I type today? Okay. I don't think I'm gonna have any comps no more. I'm gonna be helping people with theirs, but I'm not gonna be probably doing it. But maybe I'll make stages again. I don't care if I just fail because I'm just giving up on the concept right now. My keyboard is not working well. What the heck? Okay, I'm moving on because it's a hologram. Shall I regen it? Okay. Okay, let's do this. Okay. It's just totally embarrassing, but I think I'm gonna end it off here. So bye guys.